Good day everyone, I am Shinokamo Agayano from BS. For today's video, for the first problem, the following sound waves have what velocity? A. 20.0 Hz, wavelength of 17.2 meters. B. 200.0 Hz, wavelength of 1.72 meters. C. 2000.0 Hz, wavelength of 17.2 centimeters. D. 20,000.0 Hz, wavelength of 1.72 centimeters. Question number 1. Enable for us to solve for the velocity, we are going to multiply wavelength times the frequency. So for letter A, we have here velocity is equal to 17.2 meters times 20.0 Hz. So, pag input ya sa scientific calculator, itiya result is 344 meter per second. For letter B, velocity is equal to 1.72 meters times 200.0 Hz is equal to 344 meter per second. For letter C, velocity is equal to 0.172 meters times 2000 Hz. An iya result is 344 meter per second. For letter D, velocity is equal to 0.0172 meters times 20,000 Hz. An iya result is 344 meter per second. So, all in all, number 1, papreholan iya result nga nagawas. Kay bisan kun na iba-iban iya numbers tapos kay ano paprehola nagawas kay bisan kun an iya mga value din hi an wavelength and frequency was different, an ira la pinagkakaibahan an point la kumbaga while an didi dakon niya wavelength guruguti an hertz tapos parang papreholaan iya mga digits. What is the period of these waves and what is the wave velocity? So for the second problem, we have here the given, which is the frequency 6 Hz tapos ang wavelength niya is 3 meters. So we are going to identify the period of the said solution. We are going to use this equation, period is equal to 1 over frequency. So substitute the value. Period is equal to 1 divided by 6 Hz. Ano yung magiging result is 0.165. So, for the letter B naman, enable for us to compute for the velocity, we are just going to multiply wavelength and frequency. So, we have here 3 meters for the wavelength, tapos for the last frequency problem, 6 Hz, multiply them together, and yung result is calculate the frequency of the wave if it is A, a sound wave, B, a light wave. Take the speed of sound as 343 meter per second and the speed of light as 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per seconds. So for the last problem, we have here the given wavelength of 3.0 meters. For the velocity of sound wave is equal to 343 meter per second. For the velocity of light wave, which is equal to 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Since we are going to find the frequency of the sound wave for letter A, we are just going to use this formula, this equation, which is frequency is equal to velocity divided by wavelength. We're just going to substitute the values in the given, which for the velocity 343 meter per second divided by 3.0 meters. So, input hiya sa scientific calculator at magawas frequency is equal to 114.33 Hz. So, for the light wave naman, same formula, we're just going to use the equation, substitute the given given value, which is the 3.0 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second divided by 3.00 meters. So, input lagi hapon niya sa scientific calculator it magawas frequency is equal to 1.0 times 10 raised to 8 Hertz.